Hey, my name's Dean Cook. I'm a surveyor and drone operator, and I've been with Thomson for 4 years now. The drone's called a DJI Matrice 350 RTK, and we purchased it about 6 months ago. And it's a pretty valuable drone simply because we can collect really accurate information with the sensor that we've purchased for it, which is an 8K camera essentially.
Hi, my name is Rémi Godet. I'm the Senior Landfill Engineer for Waste Management of Canada Corporation. The construction site was over 40 hectares in size, and we had upwards of 30 pieces of equipment moving on site. So the big gain for us was time, because the drone survey only takes a couple hours to complete, whereas the ground survey would take way longer. And it's also a safety, because the drone is up in the air, and the drone operator can stay away from construction zones, whereas ground surveyors, they may have to work near construction equipment.
Hi, my name is Parker Armstrong. I'm a CAD and 3D design technician, and I've worked with Thomson for 5 years. After the drone's done its mission, we have a data set of about 1,000 photos, which are geo-referenced using control points. We implement it into a software which renders everything together into a point cloud data set, which we then can use to do calculations for how far we've come, how far we need to go, and we can provide this metric to the client and also topos to the client using this data to prove what we've done or what we need to do.
As soon as a survey would be uploaded to Propeller, I would get a link where I could go and see the aerial photos. I could also do a bit of volume calculation, but it was really nice to always have the updated aerial photos in high definition.
Waste Management was able to use this technology to review the progress of the site, visualize the productions, and help with design changes in real time. Using all of this data sets that we had and moving along, it helped them plan for future projects and our current projects right now.
We have the capability of using our LiDAR payload, which allows us to essentially capture information under the canopy of trees or forest or bush, which in a lot of cases, if you're trying to collect information with a GPS in a forest, you're not going to have any satellite signal. So you can't really do that efficiently, or it would take a very long time, where with the LiDAR payload, you can do that very easily.
The biggest added value to Thomson from the drone technology is the fact that we're able to optimize the construction process. We're able to save money on time it takes to record all the data, and also we're able to record data in non-safe areas. So if there's dangerous areas of work like cliff edges or anything, we can capture that data. We can also use this data for the job progress, the progress reporting, and all of the different instances from the tendering to the final as-built product.
I get excited because as a surveyor, I know that this is like making that trade's work so much easier and more efficient, and it's just I'm excited to be able to track like the technology as it grows and just keep our company up to date with like what we can do next with the drone.
It's an asset and it's almost a requirement nowadays, because if you're not using the drone technology, you're kind of falling behind. If you want to be the best in the industry, I think you need to use the drone technology.